Okay, so let's go make that happen back over in our logic. Okay, so let's go back over here and find our knowledge here. Okay, great. So we've done our orientation. Now let's set up our scale. So let's do the squash and stretch scale logic is next, okay? All right, so what we're gonna need here, we're gonna need some new parameters because in order to make this happen, is we need to first find the distance between the animated positions of the top and bottom. So what I mean by that is this is now animated, i.e. they're not in the rest position. If I hit the reset here, they're now in the rest position, okay? So I need to find the distance between the animated positions and the distance between the rest positions, which means I need the top local X form, bottom local X form, and then the top and bottom rest local transforms as inputs to our squash and stretch function. Okay. And, you know, we've done this, it's a similar thing to what we've already done, which is we just need to connect those, we need to declare them and then connect them like we did before. So I'm going to declare a top local X form matrix 4. I'm going to create a bottom local X form matrix 4. I'm going to then create a top rest local matrix 4 and then a bottom rest local matrix 4. Okay. And I think at that point, let's see, we've got our top and our bottom transforms, which we were already using, our local top and local bottom, which are animated transforms, and then our rest local and bottom rest local. Okay, now we've got the subnet parameters established. Now let's connect them. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say top node dot let's see, local xform out dot connect, and we want to push that into the squash dot top local xform in. Save that. And if we wanted to see this kind of happening in real time, let's go find our layout logic, see the squash, see the top rest local, bottom rest local, etc. So let's go back over here. And now let's add the bottom node dot local xform out dot connect to the squash node dot bottom local xform in. Okay. There we go. Now let's connect the top node dot rest local out. Yeah, rest local out dot connect to our squash node dot top rest local in. Great. And let's finally do that on the bottom node dot rest local out dot connect squash node dot bottom rest local in, and save that. Okay. So now we've got all the connections that we need, and they're all going into our subnet, which is actually the parameters to our function here. Okay. And maybe I'll do this so we can actually see those. All right. So we've got all the information from our main graph into our subnet. We're ready to roll.